Hello, I am Marcos Alvarado, and today I'm gonna be your guide in our museum, Heart of Panama. In this museum, we explore the seven groups of indigenous people that live in Panama, and we are see their aspect of customs, cultures, language, and their own unique behavior. First, we have the Guna, which are very known for the vibrant molas. Second, we have the Embera and Guana, which represent the rich biodiversity of the Darien rainforest. Third, the Nave that are the largest group indigenous in Panama and that are very known for their bags called chacaras. And finally, the Nasoteribe, the Bribri, and the Bugle that contribute to the rich history of our country and in this case to the history of our museum. So let's go and explore the museum. If you have any questions, ask me and I'm going to reply them. Oh yes, this monument is from the Embera indigenous people. And this is a woman that was the first in their culture to be able to communicate with those explorers in that time, and she was able to get them closer to their community, share with them, and also contribute together to the evolution of their comarca.